Welcome back. NCP has slammed Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar for his plans to promote exposition of St. Francis Xavier through international tours. It is an exposition of sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier and not an exhibition or a piece of art. NCP's chief spokesperson Rajan De Mello said it. He said BJP should first sack ministers facing corruption charges and then demand resignation of Governor Vanchu.
The Tourism Ministry is busy planning Brazil Junket Part 2. NCP briefed media on Tuesday and opposed minister's move. NCP wants Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar to learn and understand the religious beliefs and sentiments of exposition of sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier.
Does the Tourism Minister think the exposition is one exhibition? Does he feel that the sacred relics is a piece of art? What is he propagating? Or does he think that the saint was or is a magician? What is he trying to propagate to attract tourists? This saint is well known for having lived a great spiritual life, and it is this spirituality that has to be propagated. And therefore the argument that he is born from Spain and I will go to Spain and I will go to Europe and try to propagate him, Panaji लोकांक माझ्या माहिती प्रमाणे या सेटाची इतली माहिती असतली शे आमचे टुरिझम जोकराक पत्तून येवचो पडटलो.
BJP on Monday had demanded resignation of Governor Vanchu following his alleged links in Augusta Westland chopper deal. Trajano has come down heavily on BJP over its demand of Governor Vanchu's resignation.
जेन्ना तुझो पंतप्रधान आसा जी तुम्ही सांगता आम्ही पंतप्रधानांक बुरयतले तो जो राजीनामा दिना म्हणजे तुमका तुझ्या पंतप्रधानाचो विश्वास ना. तिंचो अध्यक्ष सांगता की ताणें ड्युअल सिटीजनशिपाचे स्पेशल स्टेटस आमकां प्रायवेटली कितें तरी सांग प्रायवेट आपल्या घरान ये पब्लिक इश्यू तो हे जो तिका प्रायवेटली सांगला. प्रश्न हो उपस्थित जाता की ताणें तिंका प्रायवेटली सांगला आपूण गव्हर्नर काडिना आनी तुमी हांगा बोबो घालतात टू डायवर्ट अटेंशन ऑफ पावर फेलियर, to divert attention of price rise, with the demand of the BJP asking the Vanchu to go home because of needless suspicion. NCP demands that Vinay Tendulkar demands for the Chief Minister to immediately sack these two ministers who are directly charged by the courts.
Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Brazil will take on Chile while Netherlands will clash with Mexico in the pre-quarterfinals at the FIFA World Cup. Brazil topped Group A with a 4-1 victory over Cameroon, while Mexico finished second despite 3-1 victory over Croatia. In Group B, the Netherlands defeated Chile 2-0 to win the group. Elsewhere, Spain scored a consolation 3-0 victory over Australia to avoid the bottom place finish in Group B. State Bank of India will organize an inter-circle basketball tournament from 25th to 28th June at Don Bosco Indoor Court in Panaji. The tournament is being hosted by Circle Welfare Committee of Mumbai. Goa is part of SBI's Mumbai Circle. 13 out of SBI's 14 circles are participating in the tournament.
Every year we are conducting the Winter Circle, that is All India tournaments across various places in India. Last year we had in Hyderabad, and this year I am happy to share with you we are hosting, that is Goa is hosting the All India tournament in basketball from 25th morning 9 o'clock. So 13 teams are participating from 13 circles except Northeast. This venue of the tournament is the Don Bosco School Indoor Stadium.
On 25th morning at 9 o'clock we are having the inauguration of this tournament. Then 25th, 26th, 27th and 28th, these 4 days this tournament will go on. First 3 days we are having 5 matches, it will be league matches. And last day we are having 4 matches, 3 in the morning and 1 final in the evening.
In basketball also some of our State Bank employees have represented India in Asiad Games also. The names to be highlighted are Priscilla Fernandez, Manjari Kanade, Jacinta Paulos, R. Swaminathan, Yadgiri Rao and Amarnath, and so many.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.